how do I explain this, like, patiently? Okay, so the cops only ever get involved in anything that's criminal. Okay, so even a ticket, like, even the most stupidest ticket you can imagine is a criminal indictment. Okay? So the cops are only concerned at all about, criminal behavior, okay? And, the Constitution, it's over there, I can't think, it says right in there that you cannot be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against yourself, okay? And what can't be done directly cannot be done indirectly, okay? So that includes, like, registration, it includes giving them your information, because let me put it to you this way, they are not looking at you unless they're concerned about something criminal, okay? They're not looking for happy shit. Their cops are not out there looking for happy shit. Not only are they're not even supposed to be general searchers either, okay? But you're not ever supposed to be compelled to be a witness against yourself in any criminal proceedings, okay? And who else is gonna, like, positively identify you except for you? Right? And what can't be done directly cannot be done indirectly. So that counts for anything. I mean, and there's other Supreme Court decisions based on, like, other, testimonial evidence. So it's like, that's kind of the indirect way, is the testimonial evidence, which would be your license plate, which would be your license. It'd be all the things that are, like, a part of you that isn't, like, you speaking. It'd be your fingerprints. I mean, those are all the indirect ways. Those are all the testimonial evidence that's still not lawful for them to collect from you and then hold against you as evidence against you in a criminal proceeding. I mean, this is actually really very simple. It's, like, so simple, but everybody's brainwashed to think, you better comply. And it's like, the problem is consent makes the law, but then they know that contract makes the law, right? But then consent also makes the law, right? So then they say that as soon as you're on the road, it's implied consent. Okay, but, in my mind, that's also their acquiescence to the fact that it really, truly is, like, contract and consent that makes the law, because otherwise you can weasel out of the contract by not having a license and not putting on plates. You can weasel and say, well, we don't have a freaking contract. So then they say, well, it's implied consent. So you implied consent, but we can't do it directly. You can't do it fucking directly. You can't force me into a contract. You can't force my consent. What the fuck is forced consent?